Good morning guys, we are here in Mont Blanc. Guys, it's really nice here, nice view. Big mountains, nice houses. It's really nice here.
If you want, what you have to.
So guys, we are here in Mont Blanc. So guys, we are here and then we're going up. We're going there. Up until I don't know how to pronounce that.
Again.
I don't know how to pronounce
It's
it, guys.
2,380 meters anyway. Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's-
we will
it's
go.
nearly half the height.
We will go there on top.
Half the height of Mont Blanc. Yeah.
So until the top.
And then you can walk a little way and have a good view. Yeah. But
Yeah.
there's a glacier here,
Yeah.
so we can probably walk onto the glacier.
Yeah. Okay. So here we pay 76.
Yeah. So just
So we pay 76 euro
That's it, yeah.
for 2 people to go up. So guys, we're going up. You can see.
It's steep, isn't it?
You can sleep now.
It's now there.
So getting up now. Oh, I need to hold. Yeah. So we're getting up now. Ang ganda guys. Kasi hindi ko makita yung view kasi maraming puno. But look at guys. Up here. Yung view guys. That's not
What this?
that one?
Oh, that one there. See the cables?
Face. You feel it? Oh, it's getting cold. Somewhere there. We'll go there. It takes 1 hour, more than 1 hour to go on top. So guys, andito na kami. Ang lamig. Malamig dito guys. It's cold. The air is cold and you can see there's ice. So just there. So it's really nice here guys. Tingnan nyo yung background ko. Oh my god. Si Happy, he will put his long sleeve kasi it's a bit cold and we will go a bit farther. So it's nice here but oh, you can feel but it's nice. So tingnan nyo guys, daming tao. And the view is like that. Nice view. So we'll walk up to there. Oh my god, I'm already tired.
Huh?
I'm already tired. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, nakapagod. So ganyan, tingnan nyo guys yung view. Ang ganda diba? Nandito talaga kami sa pinakatuktok na bundok. Sobrang layo. Oh my god, I need a drink. Oh, there's something here. Nasaan yung isa? My view from the bottom, from the top to the bottom. My view. Nasaan yung kasama ko? So guys.
The pictures.
To your phone?
I'm just waiting for the peak.
So look at the ice. Ice everywhere. Not really everywhere. Please don't! Again! Again! Oh! It goes to my glasses now inside! You crazy! Lord, it's in my eye now! So guys, yung background ko, ice. Oh.
3,000-year-old water.
So guys, if you will come here, you will pay, how much was that? 36 euro? You will pay 36 euro guys, but then the view,
It's magnificent.
yeah, the view is fantastic. Look at that. Yung isa, pasaway. Have a look. Yan yung ginagawa niya. Hoy, I will keep wet. Can you wipe this one, please? No, don't on my clothes. Hold on, it's there. I can feel it. It's in my hair. It goes to my glasses. So guys, yung ganyan. It's a bit dirty, but it's alright. My view here. So guys, if you will come here, you will pay 36 euro. Oh, it's inside my blouse. Oh look, it's inside. It's wet. Oh look, it's inside. Come on, pick that one. It's in my trouser jeans. Yung kasama ko guys, pasaway, patay. Yung panty ko nabasa na. Oh no, my panties.
Oh, kill yourself laughing.
Hala, guys, yung panty ko nabasa na. Nilagyan ng ice yung jeans ko. Pinasok sa loob, pasaway talaga. So guys, if you want to go to Mont Blanc, you will pay 36 euro each. Yung last stop ng train, dito siya. So ganyan yung back guys, doon. Pwede kang bumili ng drinks there and then have a drink. You can stay there for a while. They have toilets also, so you can use toilet. So grabe yung ice guys, ang kapal talaga. Tingnan nyo ang kapal. Yung pinakatugtog hindi mo talaga makikita kasi may may clouds. Pero kanina it was really nice.
Watch where you're putting your feet.
So guys, yeah, walking. It's nice if you have glasses guys kasi maputi yung paligid. Hindi naman lahat na maputi pero kailangan mo ng sunglasses kasi it's sunny day and yung ice maputi parang masakit sa mata. So we're walking. Tingnan namin yung doon yung view. Ang ganda talaga dito guys. Yung 36 euro mo, it's worth it. Kasi yung view talaga ang ganda. Pero ngayon hindi mo na makita yung pinakatukto kasi ano, cloudy. But below, you can see. It's nice here. I like this one than Snowdon. You think?
Because it was a bloody train getting here.
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy because you just walk. No, you will not walk coming here. You will use tram.
Yeah.
And oh, that's nice there. Tingnan nyo guys. Yung background ko. At the back. Ang ganda. Oh, there's water there. You want to go there? So ganyan siya guys. Go there. Right. That looks nice. See the altitude here. 2,412 meters.
It's nearly 4 now.
So guys, punta na kami sa train. Pauwi na kami. We had enough already. Grabe dito guys. Kasi guys, kunting lakad mo lang, you will feel, it's like get tired, you will out of breath. Kasi yung altitude dito guys is more than 2,000. Yeah. So when you walk, you will feel you're out of breath like that. Kasi sobrang taas, sobrang nasa taas talaga kami guys. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung view dyan. So ngayon pauwi na kami. We took lots of pictures here. Then si Habi, and then si Habi, he was playing ice, and then he was throwing that one on me, and he put on my back like a kid. So ngayon pauwi na kami, punta na kami ng hotel. Yeah. So pauwi na kami. Ang ganda dito. I think my holiday is the best, or maybe this the highlights of my holiday. It was really nice. See, look at that. He's playing again.
My drone.
Oh, you forgot to bring that. So ayun, pauwi na kami. Punta na kami sa tram. I don't know what time it will be. I think 5 o'clock. It's only 4 here. 4 o'clock. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung sun. Sobrang taas pa. So now we're heading